Ano po ba ang derivative? Okay, for y equal to f of x, the derivative of f at x denoted by f of x to be f prime of x equal to limit of f of x with x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x as delta x approaches 0 if the limit exists. Okay? So ito po yung definition ng derivative. Kaya importanteng alam natin yung limit bago pumunta tayo sa derivatives. Okay. Here's the step in finding the derivative of a given function. First, substitute all the values of x's in the given function y equal to f of x by x plus delta x. In other words, lahat ng x dun sa ating function, palitan natin ng x plus delta x. Second, subtract the given function from the values of step 1 and simplify. So yung nakuha natin sa number 1, step number 1 ay isasubtract down natin yung function natin. For step 3, divide the result of step 2 by delta x. So medyo self-explanatory na to. Let's move to 4. Take the result in step 3 as delta x equal to 0 or the limit. Okay, anyway, yung step number 4, palitan mo lang lahat ng delta x to 0. And then that's the limit or that's the derivative of the given function. So tandaan dito ha. Anyway, itong steps na ito, yan yung definition ng derivative. Let's have an example. Find the derivative of y equal to 2x plus 3. So first step natin ay gamitin natin. First step natin ay palitan lahat ng x. Dito isa lang yung x. So ang papalit natin ay x plus delta x. Okay. Unang step, lahat ng x palitan ng x plus delta x. Okay. So we need to simplify. Itong 2 na ito ay didistribute natin sa dalawa. Siya ay magiging 2x plus 2 delta x plus 3. Okay. Wala na naman po i-combine. So, stick na po siya dito. Let's proceed to number 2. So, number 2 ay yung nakuha sa number 1, step number 1, ay isasubtract sa ating function. So buong ito. Ito ay magiging 2x plus 3. Okay. So, i-distribute natin negative sa binomial. Copy yung first 3 term. 2x plus 2 delta x plus 3 minus 2x minus 3. Then we need to simplify. Ito ay magiging 0 na. 2x minus 2x, 0. 3 minus 3 is 0 again. So, ang naiwan ay 2 delta x. Okay, so kunin itong number, yung result sa number 2, and then divide that to delta x. Okay? Delta x. Yun na po. Dito na po tayo. Part. So, this is cancelled by factoring. Mawawala na po yung delta x. So, yung naiwan ay 2 na lamang. Okay, let's proceed to number 4. Sabi doon, palitan daw yung x, yung delta x ng 0. Eh, since wala na naman pong delta x, we could say that, therefore, yung derivative ng ating function ay 2. Okay? This is using increment method. By increment method. Okay. Bakit ko sinasabing increment method? Kasi mamaya, we're going to use the rules of differentiation. Okay? So, iba yung way on how to solve derivative by increment method. Iba rin yung approach sa rules. Okay? May existing rule kasi. Yun yung mas madali. Okay? Next, number 2. Find the derivative of y equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. Okay. So step number 1. Step number 1, palitan daw lahat ng x plus delta x. Dalawa po yung ating x dito sa ating given. So replace that. Yun yung ating i-replace. 3 times x plus delta x squared minus 6 times x plus delta x plus 1. Okay. So we need to simplify this. Okay. Ang problema natin ito. Yung x plus delta x squared. Lagay na natin dito. Okay, x plus delta x ay also equal sa square. X plus delta x squared ay equal sa x plus delta x times x plus delta x. So we're going to use FOIL method. Okay, first term, x squared. Outer terms, that is x delta x. And the inner terms, x delta x and L last, that is delta x squared. Combining like terms, so ay magiging 2x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay, tandaan guys, na yung delta x natin ay iisa lang yan na variable ha. Kasama yun. Kaya hindi na i-square itong delta square x square. Hindi po ha. Iisa lang po itong delta x para guided po tayo. Kasi kung apply nga talaga natin yung loss of exponent, medyo violate na natin yung rule. Okay? Okay. Next. So, ito yung magiging 3. The expanded form nito ay x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay? So ito, i-distribute na natin 6. Okay, nagiging negative 6x minus 6 delta x. And then copy yung 1. Okay. This time, we distribute 3 sa trinomial. Ito yung magiging 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay? Ito, wala na naman pong common term. Obehin na lang po natin. Negative 6x minus 6 delta x plus 1. Okay. Meron bang i-combine? Wala po. Okay. Let's proceed to step 2. For step 2, we're going to get yung result sa step 1 and then subtract it to our function. Copy 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus delta x squared minus 6x minus 6 delta x plus 1. Okay. Balik tayo kanina. Yes. Question?
Sir, meron pong kulang dun sa sa equation po kanina. Dun po sa sagot po dun sa 1, kulang po ng 3 yung pangatlong term.
Yeah. Oo nga. Yeah, thank you, Mario. Okay, tama. Dinistribute nga. Thank you, Mario. Okay. Diba, yung step number 2, we need to subtract yung nakuha natin sa step number 1 sa ating given. And then dito, dinistribute pa natin sa negative. So, ang gagawin natin dito sa pangalawa nating example ay i-distribute na natin automatically yung negative sa given function natin para mas mabilis. Kasi medyo mahaba itong polynomial natin. So, siya yung magiging negative times 3x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative times negative 6x is positive 6x. And then negative times positive 1 is negative 1. And then we need to simplify. Ito, mawawala na yung 3x squared minus 3x squared. 0 na po yun. And then negative 6x and 6x. Wala na din. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So, ang naiwan na lang dito ay 6x delta x plus delta x squared minus 6 delta x. Okay. Proceed to step number 3. For step number 3, we need to divide yung nakuha sa step number 2 to delta x. Yes.
Sir, kulang na naman po ng 3.
Sabi ko nga eh. Oo nga, hindi pa na naisip. Oo nga. Buti na lang may bell dito. May taga-remind ako. Maraming salamat. Okay. So dito 3 din. Okay. So when we divide, gamitin natin yung factoring. Kasi yung sa numerator natin ay pwedeng i-factor siya as delta x times 6x plus 3 delta x minus 6 all over delta x. Bakit po pinactor, sir? Kasi mas madaling mag-cancel. So, ang naiwan dito ay 6x plus 3 delta x minus 6. So, step number 4, we need to substitute yung delta x with 0. So, siya ay magiging 6x plus 3 times 0 minus 6. Then we need to simplify. Any number multiplied to 0 is 0. Siya ay magiging 6x minus 6. Okay? So, ito na po yung derivative niya. Okay? Conclusion, hence, the derivative of our function is equal to 6x minus 6. Okay? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Wala na. Okay. Moving on. Number 3. Okay, by increment method. This is by increment method. Okay. Plus, ang the derivative of y equal to 3x over 2x minus 4. Okay. Same pa rin ang process. Lahat daw ng x, palitan ng x plus delta x. Dalawa po yung ating x dito sa ating given. So, ay magiging 3 times x plus delta x all over 2 times x plus delta x minus 4. Okay. So, we need to distribute yung 3 dito sa ating binomial. Same with 2. So, ay magiging 3x plus 3 delta x all over 2x plus 2 delta x minus 4. Okay. Let's proceed to step 2. Step 2, yung nakuha sa step 1 ay kailangan i-minus sa ating function. Okay? Pinopya ko lang, subtract natin dito. Ito ay 3x all over 2x minus 4. Okay. So ito, medyo komplikado, no? So let's review yung fraction. Kasi mas madali kung meron tayong basehan. Okay, may basis na rin. Okay. Dito, i-review natin yung ating subtracting fraction. Okay. For example, 2/3 minus 1/5. Okay. In subtracting fraction, first and foremost, you must get the LCD. So, kukunin mo yung denominator, then get the LCD. So, what's the LCD between 3 and 5? That is 15. Or you simply multiply them. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin natin later on dito. Okay? And then the rule is, after getting the LCD, we divide and then multiply. Okay? 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So, ito yung naiwan. and then multiply to 2, that is 10. Minus, kasi yung operation between them, 15 divided by 3, 5. 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Times 1, that's 3. So yung concept dito, i-apply natin dito. But, simplify muna natin ito. Ito yung magiging 7 over 15. At ito na po yung simplest form. Okay. We're going to use this sa ating problem. Okay. Yung LCD between the R denominator is yun pa din. 2x plus 2 delta x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, minultiply ko lang naman yung 3 saka yung 5. And that's the LCD. Okay? And then, di ba yung ginawa ko dito, use this, and then divide, multiply. So kapag ito, i-divide dito sa first term or sa denominator ng first term, ang may iwan ay 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4. Then multiply that to our numerator, so yung magiging 3x plus 3 delta x. Okay? Minus, itong ulit denominator, kapag dinivide dito, ang may iwan ay 2x plus 2 delta x minus 4. Okay. Then multiply to the numerator, that is 3x. Okay. So we need to simplify ito. Okay. But before we simplify, we distribute yung kailangan i-multiply or distribute itong 3x sa ating trinomial. Okay. So using FOIL method, kailan ba ginagamit ang FOIL method? When we multiply binomial by binomial. Kasi ito binomial. Dito naman, ang gagamitin natin, distribution property. Okay. First term, 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Okay. Next, outer terms. 2x times 3 delta x is 6x delta x. Ulitin ko isang term lang po yung delta x, kaya hindi po pwede yung delta x squared. Ulitin ko, isang term lang po yun. Okay, purahin ko lang. Next, inner terms. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. Next, last terms. Negative 4 times 3 delta x is negative 12 delta x. Okay, ito pa lamang yan. Proceed tayo dito. Pero make sure na yung negative i-distribute na natin dito. And then, let's say na negative 3x i-multiply sa trinomial na ito. So, negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. Next, negative 3 times 2 delta x is negative 6 delta x. Next, negative 3x times negative 4 is positive 12x. Okay, then all over, so yung denominator natin, no need to multiply or expand. Mamaya, makikita nyo yung reason. Okay? 2x minus 4. Ulitin ko denominator. Okay na yan. Okay. Combining like terms, mawawala na itong 6x squared minus 6x squared. 0 na po. Next po natin, negative 12x and then 12x. Wala na din. 0 na din. Or else, yung 6x delta x and then negative 6x delta x, wala na din. So, ang naiwan ay negative 12 delta x all over 2x plus 2 delta x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. Okay? Next, yung nakuha sa step number 2 ay i-divide sa delta x. Okay, 2x plus 2 delta x minus 4 and then 2x minus 4. Okay, i-divide daw to sa delta x. Okay, pero bakit mo na ganito? Remember yung rule sa dividing fraction. Diba ito, i-divide sa whole number. Diba, in dividing fraction, we copy the numerator, then get the reciprocal ng denominator. 2, ang reciprocal niya ay 1 over 2. Yun yung ginamit ko dun. Diba? Kung i-divide natin ito sa delta x, so get the LCD na. Get the inverse. Okay? Dito mawawala na po yung delta x. Erase ko lang ito. Ang naiwan dito ay negative 12 all over 2x plus 2 delta x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. Okay. Sa step number 4 ay papalitan natin yung delta x with 0. Okay? Okay. So, kung papalitan natin ito ng 0, 2 times 0 is 0, right? So, no need to write. So, ang ilalagay natin doon ay negative 12 all over 2x minus 4 and then 2x minus 4. This is the reason why I didn't multiply yung denominator natin a while ago. Kasi ito ay equivalent sa negative 12 all over 2x minus 4 squared. That's the reason. Okay. Therefore, yung derivative ng ating function ay negative 12 all over 2x minus 4 squared. Okay? This is by increment method. Inulit-ulit ko increment method. Okay. Yan po yung pagkuha ng derivative by definition. So, merong shortcut way on how to get the derivative, yung easiest way. So, ito yung tinatawag nating rules in finding the derivatives. So, marami to. Katulad ng constant function rule, identity function rule, power rule, constant multiple rule, sum and difference rule, product rule, quotient rule. Meron pang chain rule. Meron pang higher order derivatives.